Yeah, they down with this. Cause they down with this.
Looking forward to some exciting rugby today, and these are going to be some exciting teams, I reckon.
Yeah, it is. It's always a good battle too. He Tūranga-nui whakaharahara I waenga I ngā kapa e rua nei. I think he just wants to stamp, his mark and say, no, not going to take anything today. And sometimes, te taha te pia, sometimes as a player you can't help it. Whoa, what a take though by Hunter Weaver, weaving his way through the defence, and he went alone.
Oh,
Ia ki rānei ia? Going to the touchy. What a try though, if he did get it down, and he did. Well done.
And number 2, Max Hammond here with the throw. His last throw probably a little bit too high, but it still paid dividends for them because they got down the field. Let's have a little bit of a kokiri tōpu, a bit of a maul going here.
Koe rā te kupu tuarua, te kupu hou tuarua.
Nice run there by Josh Okuso.
Playing advantage here, and he gets it. So the referee was playing advantage, but Tūranga-tāne didn't need it.
And he's finding some room up the middle there, and the number 8 takes it, Tāne Rogers.
Nudging closer to the Tūranga-tāne line, trying to weave their way through the defenders, and kua whai hua, te kapa o Rotorua.
And we've brought us back for Tūkotahi Richards Tefo to make that kick. No, sorry, that was the number 10, Ruan Ludwig from Gisborne Boys.
From the left wing, they've come to the right wing. 1, 2, 3, 4.
And that is a great run and finish by Hieke Magavi, the Toparua. And so right on the back of his shirt, respect.
Yes, whakauti.
Mihi atu ki ai.
Oh gosh, what a run
Great
here.
Run there by number 13.
Tauwaru Waititi.
And there he is. Try. Continuity happening now. With those wrap around the back. Nice. They've found some space on the side there. But there it is, number 14 from Rotorua Boys. He's managed to pick it up and he's gone in the corner. That's Isaleli Tutawaiva. Tino kaha te rā oma, Tāne Rogers.
Really good defence here by Tūranga-tāne.
And they've got numbers on the outside, and number 12 finds himself, gives it back into side to 22, Maioha. So aroha mai, Rajan Williams with the finish. This is about the third one attack that they've had. They're going to keep going. That's the 4th. And they're going to look wide now. Long ball's there, but he's going to go. And great offload by number 11, Mana Stewart, to number 14, Anakin Ormsby Keynes. Keynes.
Yep, Keynes. Tries, yeah.
I'll be up at 28 points, and then they will be up to lead. That's a hard one. It's a hard one, but you never give up.
Oh, speaking of which,
found the gap, number 15 there, Tokoaitu Owen, with an offload.
Oh man, what a play!
And number
what a play!
10, Tūkotahi Richards Tefo finishes it off. I te i ngā mea katoa, whakarite ana I tēnei kemu, and our final score for the day was 43. Whātekau mā toru, Raukura, ki te tekau mā rua, ki ngā tama tāne o Tūranga-nui-a-Kiwa to Gisborne Boys.
Everybody that I know, yeah, they down with this. Cause they down with this.